Hello everyone. Students, today again we are going to solve some problems from class 9 physics. Name of the chapter is Force and Laws of Motion. This is the chapter number 2 and today we will solve the problems which are based on the Newton's second law of motion. So let we come to the problem. So see, the question is like that. A bullet of mass 25 gram. See, this is the bullet and its mass is equals to 25 gram. So let we write that m is equals to 25 gram. Then moving with a speed of 100 meter per second means its initial speed means u is equals to 100 meter per second. Pierce a bag full of sand kept adjacent to a wall. Suppose this is a wall and there is a sand bag which is kept here. It is adjacent to the wall and this bullet struck it. This bullet struck it. So when it will struck it, that time what will happen? The bullet will come to stop, means its motion will become 0. So we can write down that v is equals to, that is final velocity is equals to 0. Okay. So it is written that bullet stops in the bag after 0.5 seconds. So t, before becoming rest, it was accelerated up to 0.5 second. So we can write down t is equals to 0.5 second. Now you have to find the acceleration of the bullet. And then assuming uniform means you have to find the acceleration. So you have to find what? That is a is equals to what? Question number 2, the force exerted by the sand means F also you have to find, and the distance covered by the bullet before coming to rest, that means and S also you have to find. So you can see that A, F and S, that you have to find. So if you can find A, then easily you can find the M, F, because M you have. Now again come to that formula, that is the formula of the equations of motion. What are the formulas of the equations of motion? First one is v square is equals to u square plus 2as. Second, v is equals to u plus at and s is equals to ut plus half at square. This is second equation, this is first and this is third. So which formula is applicable? See, for the first formula, v and u you have. V and u you have. But S you don't have and A also not. So you cannot use this formula. Second, this formula V and you have, T also you have. So you can find out this one. So you can use this first equation of motion. So you will write using first equation of motion. You will write down v is equals to u plus at. So v is equals to 0. So u is equals to 100 meter per second plus a you don't know, and t is equals to 0.05 second. So this much. So it will become minus 100 is equals to a by 20. So you can write down 100 minus 20 equal to a. So minus 2, 1, 2, 3 equal to a. To minus 1, 2, 3 meter per second square. This is the value of a. Now using the formula, F is equals to ma. So value of m that you know, m is how much? That is 25 gram. So since this is not in the SI unit, so you have to convert it into gram into the kg. So this is not in SI unit, so you will simply divide it, divided by 1000. Okay. So now you put down its value is 25 divided by 1, 2, 3 into a, that is 1, 2, 3. Its value is minus, you will put here minus sign. Okay, this rub down. So these zeros are cancelled, so this is minus 50 Newton. Okay, this was the force. So this is the value of the force. Now what you have to find? You have got S, value of S you have got, and value of A and F you have got. Now you have to find out S. So finding out S, which formula you can use? You have V and U and A now you have. So you can use this formula also and this formula also. So to find out S. So it will be easier. So use this formula. Now using formula, which formula? V square is equals to U square plus 2AS. So V is equals to 0, U square equal to 100 square plus 2 into A is how much? That is minus 2, 1, 2, 3. And S you have to find. Now find it out. It will go in this side, so it will become 1, 2, 3, 4. And it will be minus. And here it is 4. This is also minus 1, 2, 3 into S. So value of S will be how much? You can cut it down directly. 1, 2, 3. So value of S and minus sign also be cut. So 10 divided by 4 equal to 2.5 meter. Hence S is equals to 2.5 meter. So you have got the value of S as well as value of F and value of A. Clear?